The way you speak says so much about you. It shapes how other people perceive you, and it can really make or break your on-camera presence. So if you want to enhance your voice so it has the most impact, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Amy. Welcome back to my channel where I post videos every week teaching you how to crush it on camera so you can grow your business and make more money. So tap that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the tips I have for you. Have you ever listened to someone speaking or watched someone on video and found yourself just completely zoning out? That is exactly what we want to try to avoid in our own videos. We have to keep our voices interesting for the listener or they're not going to stick around and watch our content. We don't want to sound like the teacher from Ferris Bueller's Day Off.
Anyone?
This is what we call a monotone voice. It's a single pitch or tone that just stays the same the whole time someone's talking. Most people's voices go more monotone when they're sad or when they're not feeling well, and that is not how we want to come across to our audience on camera. So here are a few ways that you can liven up your voice to keep your audience engaged auditorily. The first thing that you can do to spice up your voice is to play around with the pitch and the rate that you're speaking. Pitch is those highs and those lows. It's not necessarily a dip in your energy, but it's when you get excited, maybe your voice is a little bit higher, and when you're making a point, maybe it's a little bit lower. That also is playing with the speed as well. You're talking a little bit faster, maybe you're even talking faster to go through the less important points, and then you slow down to really nail a point or to share a specific tip or a secret for them. Another thing that you can do to enhance your voice on camera is to clear up auditory clutter. Those are those moments where you're saying, so, you know what I mean? These are called filler words, and they really undermine your authority and make you look less confident on camera. So start to be aware of them and start to get them out of your vocabulary by using a pause instead. It's perfectly okay to take a moment to allow your thought to download. Just take that brief pause and then continue speaking. And finally, you can enhance your voice on camera by changing your body language. For example, if you shoot a video where you're sitting or lounging on the couch versus standing up straight, you're gonna see an instant increase in your overall energy when you're standing and in the energy that you're bringing across in your voice. Also, using hand gestures while you're speaking will bring in more emotion in your voice and more vocal variety. So give these tips a try, kick that monotone voice to the curb, and I promise you will see more engagement in your videos. If you've made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified when I post more performance hacks. I'll see you soon.